we had a small group on WhatsApp. We met through Facebook. We are around 13 of us, so it was like we formed a group on Facebook, and it was pretty easy to find housing. We had some seniors. We got into touch, and they helped us look into housing, and they booked a house for us. The rent was around 400, the food, the groceries, another $400, and the utilities would be another $100, $200. So altogether, it's about, you can say, you can survive in $1,000. Everyone shares the same kind of feeling. So initially, everyone is very inclusive, and it's really helpful. So you kind of share your feelings. It's difficult in the beginning, but then it gets kind of, you kind of settle down. In terms of food and essentials, I would say that is like, you need to learn basic cooking. So if you don't, please do, or be ready to survive on fruits and veggies. Please refrain from any kind of copying of assignments, or be ethical to what you do. You might not get like the best of the grades, but you will certainly, if you pay attention to it, you will enjoy. People take a lot of pride, like the professors take a lot of pride in teaching you guys. So I think we should do our due diligence and do our own work, and they're always there to help you out with whatever you need. So first thing is the ethics. Second, the classes here are more, I would say, more practical oriented. It's not more theoretical like we have in Mumbai University. You need to respect your time as well as time you give to others. So the 5 minutes does not work here. You have to be on time. Whenever you give time to someone, you have to obey that, be it your deadlines for the classroom, for your assignments, or for any time that you give to any friend or any professor. It has to be obeyed. So be ethical, be on time. I think those are the two big things that you will see as a change. I went in about 10-15 days prior to my orientation date. I was able to make good friends and also find an on-campus job. They go through, in general, life in US, through the courses that you're going to go through. Also, there's a lot of team building activities. So you meet a lot of people from different backgrounds, from different countries, who are going to take the course with you. So I think you should be very proactive in orientation, because you meet a lot of different people and you'll make a lot of different connections, which otherwise you wouldn't in daily classroom setting. So that's one place where you'll make a lot of you'll meet a lot of different people. In my college, it was around 20 to 25 people. We had a diverse group of students. So there were some people from China, we had people from India, there were people from US in general. So it depends from the college that you choose. Many of us, at least people I know, had like at least 2 to 3 years of experience. There were some newcomers as well, just fresh out of the undergrad. I think everything is manageable. You can still find some time to go to the gym, do some workout, meet friends, go to parties. It depends on how well you manage your time. Have an India club. So there are a lot of club activities that go on where everyone participates. There are a lot of events that we take pride in organizing. So like right from Diwali, Holi, there is Ganesh Chaturthi,